Clean a bird seed feeder. Having bird feeders are an enjoyable part of having your own outdoor space, but be prepared for some additional work that comes along with this pleasantry. If you want your feeders to last longer, look nicer and be disease-free habitats for all of your guests who fly in for their meals, you are going to have to be committed to cleaning out your feeders regularly. I would recommend cleaning them out once every week to 2 weeks at a minimum. Follow these instructions for a simple way to keep your bird feeders tidy and well visited all year long. What you will need: vinegar water spray bottle brush hose with a spray nozzle old butter knife. Step 1. Add 9 parts water to 1 part vinegar into your spray bottle. Keep this in a convenient location and label it for convenience. Step 2. Take down your feeder and check in the opening for old bird seed that may be stuck in the bottom. Step 3. Spray any old food out with your water and vinegar mixture. Let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 minutes. This will help loosen any difficult pieces and make the process simpler in the end. Vinegar is a great way to kill off any possibilities of mold and is safer for the birds than using bleach. Step 4. This is where you will need your old butter knife and some elbow grease. Carefully scrape out any bird seed that is stuck, to prevent mold growth. If you can't get everything with the butter knife, you can also try using a toothpick for the tiny crevices. Step 5. Use your bottle brush to clean out any hard-to-reach openings near the perches and the outside of your feeder. Step 6. Rinse out the feeder with your spray nozzle and go through once more with the bottle brush to double-check your work. Step 7. Dry the feeder out. Whether you towel dry or air dry, make certain that the feeder is completely dry before adding seed again. This will ensure that the bird seed stays drier longer. Step 8. Add more bird food once completely dry. Step 9. Hang your feeder back up, sit back and enjoy your bird watching again. Birds are picky eaters, just like people, they have their favorite foods. Cleaning your feeder will help you keep your feathered friends lingering in your garden instead of visiting your neighbor. Required tools: vinegar water spray bottle,